My name is Jason Ashford. In this quick video, we're going to talk about the 10 reasons why you should consider becoming an S corporation. Again, some of these principles are based on my book, The S Corporation Playbook. So let's go. Again, we're going to address the 10 reasons why you should consider becoming an S corporation. Okay. And so let's get into reason number one. Okay. Here we have all the 10 reasons. So, the number one reason why you may want to consider doing this is because you want to pay less taxes. Okay. It's basically the idea of, or the principle of saving on self employment taxes. Okay. Now, as an S corporation, you can potentially reduce your tax liability and the amount you pay in self employment tax by a lot. Okay. Because shareholders only pay payroll taxes or self employment taxes on their salary. This is crucial and very important to understand. So the taxes are only pay, those taxes, self employment tax, payroll taxes, are paid only on the salary, not on dividends, okay, or distributions. Okay. Those are taxed at a lower tax rate. So let me give you an example for okay. So let's say you have a doctor who's generating $300,000 a year. And let's say he takes a reasonable salary, okay, which is one of the rules. You have to take a reasonable salary. He takes a reasonable salary of $150,000. This means that he will be taxed on the 150,000, okay, payroll taxes, which is the Social Security and Medicare tax, and then the rest, the $150,000 that remain, will be considered a distribution. This would be taxed at a way lower tax rate. Okay. This is very, very important to understand. Okay. Number two, the other benefit is that an S corporation is a pass through entity. Okay. When it comes to tax, S Corp status allows profits to be passed through directly to the shareholders, eliminating what's called double taxation, which is what will happen if you have a C corporation. Okay. Income is reported on personal tax returns, avoiding the corporate level tax. Okay. This is huge as well. Okay. Number three, asset protection. By separating your personal and your business assets, okay, an S corporation offers what's called liability protection for the shareholders. Okay. Because you're separating your business activities from your personal activities. Okay. So your personal assets like homes, savings, retirement plans, etc., are protected from business debt and liabilities. Again, this is huge as well. Okay, number four is credibility and perpetual existence. This is very important as well. Being incorporated gives your business more credibility with customers, vendors, and investors. Okay. Additionally, S corporations have perpetual existence. What this means is that the corporation can continue even if the ownership changes. So you can, share, you can sell, for example, shares of your company, and you know, move on with your life. Okay. The other area here is the flexibility in profits distributions. Okay. S corps allow business owners to allocate profits between salaries and distributions, what I talked about a little bit ago. This flexibility can offer additional tax savings if you manage this properly. Number six, this is huge, okay, because there's a lower audit risk, okay, uh, with the IRS. S corporations tend to have a lower audit risk compared to sole proprietorships or partnerships. Okay, the IRS audits fewer S corporations, and because there are clear boundaries of what a distribution and a reasonable salary is. Okay. So if you follow the rules, the risk of you being audited are way, way, way lower. Okay. And this is based on data from the IRS. Okay. Number 7, health insurance uh, premiums are deductible. Okay. So you, as a shareholder of an S corporation, you can deduct the health insurance premiums paid by the business for yourself. Okay. And your families. Okay. Reducing taxable income. So the business de- deducts it as an expense. Okay. Number 8 is retirement plan contributions. Now, an S corporation shareholder can set up retirement plans such as 401ks. You can have a solo 401k. You can have a SEP IRA, and the business can contribute on behalf, okay, of the shareholders, allowing for tax deferral growth and a deduction, okay, on the business side. Again, another huge benefit. Okay. Number 9, there's ease of ownership and transfer. Mentioned that a little bit ago. S corporation ownership can be easily transferred by selling shares, or you can give shares to someone, for example, um, which helps uh, with planning for succession or exiting the business. If this is a business that you want to give, or one of your children wants to inherit, you can easily transfer the shares, okay, of this particular business. Okay. And then number 10, the final one, is state level tax benefits. Okay, some states offer additional tax advantages or reduce filing fees for S corporations. Okay, making it even more attractive of a choice depending on the location of your business. So again, this is another huge benefit. Different states have different rules, but there's a lot of states that have additional benefits for S corporation. Okay, and then just to conclude, okay, becoming an S corporation can provide a combination of tax advantages. So you have tax advantages, you have liability protection, you have flexibility, benefits. Okay, for many business owners. Okay, this is huge. Okay, and it could bring a lot of peace of mind, and obviously the whole principle here is making sure that you do this correctly. Okay, my book, the S Corporation Playbook, addresses all these points. Okay, and all the rules that you need to follow to make sure that you have total control of your S corporation. Okay, and you have no issues with the IRS being audited because you follow all the correct rules. Okay, you can educate your CPA, your tax professional, because you will have this information. So click the link below and grab my book, and I'll see you on the other side.